Meaning of disbelief.
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 Disbelief. Disbelief is a state of mind where one cannot accept or believe something because it seems unlikely or goes against their understanding or expectations. When a person experiences disbelief, they may feel skeptical, doubtful, or incredulous. This mental state often results in a lack of trust or confidence in the truth or validity of a particular statement or situation. Disbelief can be caused by a variety of factors such as lack of evidence, conflicting information, or personal biases. Ultimately, disbelief can lead to a breakdown in communication and frustration for those involved.